Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm trying out the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick that I got in the shade Hot Mess Momma as part of my first ever ice cream beauty subscription box. So this was part of my July 2023 box, and I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. And I was very happy with my first box, excited to get all makeup products, and I love long-lasting lip products. Plus, I love trying out products from Ofra. The Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick comes in a bunch of shades, but I'm really happy with the shade that I happened to get in my ice cream beauty box this month because it looks like a nice wearable neutral shade similar to my natural lip color, which is really where my comfort zone is when it comes to lip colors. So let's go ahead and first check out the applicator. Ooh, a very small, actually kind of rounded doe foot applicator, which I'm thinking could be a little tricky to get precise without a lip liner, but I'm gonna try my best. Oh yes, and this smells so good. It smells so nostalgic to me. That sweet vanilla scent that I just feel like is so recognizable to lip products. It's definitely the 90s baby in me that loves a scented lip product, and this is exactly that. All right, I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on my lips, but before I do that, now let's see how it swatches. Ooh, it really is such a creamy texture, very pigmented, full opaque color from one swatch. That looks really nice. Here is a better view for you of that swatch and how the applicator looks. And so my lips are a little chapped. There's a little bit of chapped area there. And the instructions on this do say to exfoliate your lips, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it and we'll see how it is on the dry patch on my lips, if it clings to it or not. Wow, look at how close of a match that is to my natural lip color, since I have it only applied to the bottom lip right now. I am very excited about this color. Oh wow, I feel like I was able to get very precise with this applicator that I don't even really feel like this necessarily needs a lip liner because I am able to get a precise shape with crisp edges, no feathering, anything like that. Okay, so what do you think about how this color looks on me? It's just like a hint lighter than maybe my natural lip color or what I normally would wear on my lips. And whenever a lip color is a little bit lighter on me, I just feel like I don't have the ability to pull it off. But maybe if I got used to it, it could grow on me because I don't hate this. I just feel like it definitely kind of makes me look a little bit more washed out. I feel like I need to put on some more bronzer with this lip color. But aside from the color, it is a really nice, comfortable, creamy formula. And my lips do not look chapped with this on. It's not clinging to the dry patches. It's also not settling into the lines on my lips too much. So it kind of has like a hydrating, smoothing effect for a matte liquid lipstick. It's not really drying down the way I was expecting it to. So let's see if there's any transfer. It feels so creamy, like there will be transfer. Yeah, that's a lot of transfer for a long-lasting liquid lip. I guess maybe it's still coming off. And that actually made it fade in a way that doesn't look very nice. It's actually looking much more textured and like emphasizing the lines now as it's fading. Before I did the kiss test, I really liked how smooth it was looking, like I was saying, but that smoothness really faded. So definitely the type of lip product that I'd touch up after any sort of transfer, because it doesn't wear away very nicely texture wise. I mean, the color wearing away is okay since it's pretty similar to my natural lip color, but I am not loving that texture there. So I was definitely hoping for it to not have transfer like this and to be able to wear more nicely on my lips over time. So because of that, I'm not crazy about this. This does retail for, I think it was $20. So to me, that's pricey for a lip product that isn't like a perfect lip product in my opinion, because there are so many other perfect lip products to me that are less expensive than this. However, if you've tried it out, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. But so, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.